Hey everyone, and welcome to AI Moneymakers. Are you ready to unlock the incredible potential of artificial intelligence and turn it into cold, hard cash? In this course, we'll break down simple, actionable steps to help you start earning with AI, even if you're a complete beginner. Today only we are offering a 100% money-back guarantee if you don't make 100.00 on your first week after completing this course step by step. Forget the complex jargon and confusing coding. We're focusing on practical, easy-to-implement strategies that anyone can use. Ready to dive in? Let's go! Step 1. Unleash your inner artist with AI image generation. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 2, and Stable Diffusion are revolutionizing the art world. You can create stunning visuals in seconds, just by typing a few words. Now, how do you make money from this? Several ways. You can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy, create custom artwork for clients, design unique merchandise, or even use them for your own marketing materials. Step 2. Become a content creation powerhouse. AI isn't just for images. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai can help you write blog posts, social media captions, marketing copy, and even scripts, like this one. Businesses are always looking for engaging content. Offer your services as an AI-powered content creator. You can also use these tools to boost your own online presence and attract more opportunities. Step 3. Data is king, and AI can help you rule it. AI excels at analyzing data and finding hidden patterns. Learn to use AI-powered data analysis tools to identify market trends, predict customer behavior, and make smarter business decisions. This skill is incredibly valuable. You can offer data analysis services to businesses, or even use your insights to start your own profitable venture. Step 4. Build AI-powered solutions. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding genius. Many platforms offer no-code or low-code tools to build simple AI applications. Think chatbots for customer service, automated email marketing campaigns, or even personalized recommendations for e-commerce stores. These solutions are in high demand, and you can create them without a complex programming background. Step 5. Stay ahead of the curve. Continuous learning. The world of AI is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest tools and techniques by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and joining online communities. This will ensure you remain competitive and continue to find new and exciting ways to make money with AI. Join thousands of other people working remotely and enjoying financial freedom. So there you have it, 5 easy steps to start your journey to AI profitability. Remember, the key is to take action. Start experimenting with these tools, find what you enjoy, and start building your AI empire today. Enroll in our full course for more in-depth training and resources.